Last on the list, I left the best for last because he's definitely caused a bit of a teacup storm on his channel with what's happened in his latest video. Supercars of London. Paul, basically his latest video, he went to Yiannimize to get his R35 GTR wrapped for his driver's rally, whatever he's doing, and he made the video. And the first thing I do now with Paul is he's getting a bit like vehicle versions with the comments. I went straight into the comments before I even watched the video, and lo and behold, I wasn't disappointed. People, all they said was the way it was shot is terrible. The cameraman was all over the place. You barely even saw the cars. So I skipped ahead on it too. It'll probably come up here for you, where he's talking to Yiannimize about the wrap. And yeah, the cameraman is all over the place. Paul is trying to make this like a cinematic kind of thing. He's trying to make the production a bit better. I get his idea, but if your cameraman is this bad, it's all over the place. He barely even shows the car. It's really badly produced and people are not happy. And Paul, I don't know what is up with him. I don't think he he never replies in the comments. I don't even know if he reads them. Like, for a guy who's such a big following, you'd think he'd listen to his subscribers more and try and fix what people are not happy with. The production on this, as I said, I could see what he was trying to do, but it came out really bad. And I mean, the cameraman, like, the camera was like halfway down some people's faces, it's this way, that way, never even barely showed the cars. It was just all over the place, and people are getting really pissed off with his channel. So I don't know, guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you follow him? Do you follow his channel? Have you watched his latest videos? Have you watched this recent video, and what do you think of it recently? Because I don't know, if I had that many subscribers, I would just go back and watch the video and be like, what in the name of God, you know? The cameraman has done really bad from here, and unless he reads the comments, I think, you know, he might start going downhill. But I don't know, I want to hear your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and see what he's going to have to do. For what he has, for the cars he has, his production value should be a lot higher, and he'll do a lot better. But obviously he doesn't read or listen to the comments either, so I don't know. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thanks very much if you've watched the end, and if you're a new person, please do consider subscribing. Give the channel a chance. Even a thumbs up would be great. Help the channel grow. As we get bigger, guys, I have some big plans for this channel, but I can't do it unless you subscribe and help the channel grow, and share the video and let your friends know. So that's it. Till the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.